Hi, good afternoon. I'm going to walk us through a demo of Vision Quest, which is a tool that can generate hundreds and thousands of images that can be used across your creative marketing campaigns and especially useful for improving your efficiency when creating Pinterest campaigns. So let's dive right in. The first place to start with Vision Quest is that you want to prompt the system to generate images. All of our images are prompt generated, and we have a couple different models which I'll walk us through below that you can use to generate the best ones for your campaigns. So you would start right here. Head over to number one where it says image prompt. You can see I have a sample prompt here, a fjord in Wales jumping out of water. Let's add with like white cranes in the sky. And if you need help, here are some prompt examples of ones that might be relevant to your business. If you like this prompt and the settings, you can also set this as the default here, toggle this on, and it will save all of these settings that you generate as we walk down for your default for the next time. Now, the next set of buttons I want to introduce you to are the override default style image. So one thing that sets our tool apart is that we have custom prompt engineering in the back end that gives us these very high quality, realistic images. If you would like to just have a fresh slate and start from scratch, you can go ahead and override the default image style. Here in the beta pro images, you can test a new model that we're working on that will give you pro images. It's a little more expensive, but they're very high quality. The next thing I want to show is the aspect ratio. So now that you have your prompt together, you want to choose the aspect ratio at which we're going to export the images. We have some that are custom made for social platforms, Pinterest, Instagram, and if you would also like a portrait, that might be really good for Reels. You can also do landscape and a custom aspect ratio as well. Lastly, you want to choose the image quantity. Our models give in increments of 4, so it starts at 4 and you can go up to 1,000 at a time. I'm going to leave it at 4 for now, and for my settings, I think I'm going to leave it at the 2-3 for Pinterest. And then you can choose a campaign name. So I'm going to say Vision Quest Demo 8/28/2024. And if you would like the system to generate post titles and descriptions, you can do this as well. I won't show it for now, but know that that's an option, and it's a really important piece if you're trying to generate pre-made social, including your SEO keywords and your brand's voice. So let's go ahead and hit generate your campaign, and you'll see that what's going to happen next is that Vision Quest is going to generate these images. It's going to take a couple minutes, and then it's going to send me an email at this email address with a CSV of all of my images. Now the next thing I wanted to show you is after that, all of your campaigns and runs are going to be stored in the campaigns tab. So you can see each individual run that you complete, and if you want to see all of the images, you can see them in the gallery view as well. You can see it does very high quality images. I did some of these in more of an animation style, but they're very high quality images. All right, that's it for now. Thank you.